Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be doing this wig transformation. We're going to be turning this 613 blonde lace frontal wig to a pink little sassy little number, and I'm really excited. I'm so excited for you guys to see, so keep on watching.
Go, Kelly, go, 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 Kelly, go, go, Kelly, go, 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 Kelly, go.
Alright, so we're going to be doing the watercolor method. I'm going to be using Adore. This is the shade Pink Petal, and I'm going to be taking this lace frontal wig, and as you can see, I already did the toner, but I did not record that part. I didn't think it was necessary, but all I used was purple shampoo, and so I'm just putting the color in the water and I'm mixing it up. And I'm pretty sure, I think I used the whole bottle, but after I did the watercolor method, it wasn't as pink as I wanted it to look. It looked like, you know, pink lemonade, and I thought that was pretty cute, but it was too much blonde on one side, so I couldn't really leave it that way. So I did have to end up going to the store the next day to get another bottle, and I did not use that clip for this video because it was just going to be pretty much the same thing that you're seeing now. So I placed the wig in, and I'm just making sure that it's evenly distributed through the water. As you can see the blonde spots in there. So I'm just taking that bottom part of the wig brush and I'm just moving the hair around just so the color can take. Right, and this is how it turned out before I went to the store and got a second bottle, but it looked, you know, like pink lemonade. You see that blonde spot right there. But before we get into the styling part, I did do a poll on my Instagram, and it was between beach waves or straight, and beach waves won. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at _IamMissK_. And to do the beach waves, I am using this wand curler because I thought it was an easy way for me to do it than using regular curlers. So I'm just wrapping the hair around, but I'm not fully closing the end of the hair, so the ends will be straight, but it'll have like a curl to it. And so I just did this repeatedly around the whole head. I didn't post like the whole video of it because I thought, you know, it was really repetitive, and I only needed to show you guys just a few times and how to do beach waves, just in case you did not know how to do them. Now, to make sure that these curls stayed intact, I did go in with my Transformaton holding spray, and I did keep the curls curled until I went through and finger plucked them, just to make them a bit more softer and look more natural, because as you can see, these curls look hard. They look so hard. I was not going to put it on my head like this, so you do have to. I went in with my fingers and I did it that way, but you can go in with a Y2 comb if you choose to. And once I completed wand curling the beach waves, I did go in with Simply G's Oils head to toe oil, and I just put like a quarter size in my hand, and I just went through the hair and plucked it out, you know, to make it as good looking and as natural as possible, and just to make sure that, you know, it didn't look like a whole bunch of craziness on the top of my head. But I really like how this color really did turn out. So this is with 2 bottles of the Adore Pink Petal and with a little wand curler. The wand curler was a 1 inch. I didn't have anything smaller, and I didn't want to do smaller ones. I wanted to do big ones as much as I could, because I really didn't want it to be as curly. I wanted it to be like, you know, a loose curl, and it turned out so bomb. So for the install, we're going to be using Got to Be Freeze Spray. I already had the cap on, but I'm just laying it down just a little bit more for that extra security. And I'm taking a blow dryer and I'm putting it on the cool setting. I never use the hot setting when I'm using Got to Be Free Spray. So I'm just going to cut the lace with my scissors all the way around my head, and then I'm just going to snip just the back part of it just a little bit. Just so the cap doesn't come off underneath my wig, I'm just going to put just a little bit more of the Got to Be Free Spray, and I'm just going to put it on the edge of it and use the back of my comb to lay it down. And once again, I'm using a blow dry and I'm using the cool setting. So a lot of people use foundation. I use the spray tan spray, and it's by Airbrush, and this is closer to my shade. I want to say it's like the medium one, and I'm just spraying it on the top of my head, and I'm just using like a sponge to like push it in just to make it blend all over. And then I'm going to go in with the Got to Be Free Spray to spray on top of that, just so it doesn't rub off up underneath the wig. You guys, you can shop this wig on my website at www.misscasehair.com. This will be underneath the wig section, and this is the 613 lace frontal wig. And you guys, it is so bomb, and I'm just not saying that just because it's my hair brand. It's really, really bomb. You can see that the color took so well, and that the curls look so good. Just wait till just wait till you guys see the end result. Like, it looked so amazing. I'm pretty sure I like this pink way more than when it was blonde. So as you can see, our blonde wigs take color so effortlessly. Let me get my words together. But I'm just taking that Got to Be Free Spray, and I'm just spraying it on my hairline. And now I'm going to lay the lace down. I am using the tip of my comb, and I'm just pushing it down into that glue. And I'm using the cool settings just so it can, you know, look really melted. And I'm just pushing it down. It looked a little crazy at first, but once, like, when you guys see when I continued to lay it down, it started to blend in so good, and it looked like it was coming from scalp. So y'all just enjoy this part right here. I'm going to stop talking. Alright, so once that is laid down, I'm going to take some alcohol and I'm just going to go around the lace just to get that excess that has dried on the top of my hairline. And I'm just going to take these wrap strips and I'm just going to fold it in half and wrap it around. This is going to help it melt and look so bomb. And you guys, for the grand finale, I'm so happy how this turned out. This was for my birthday hair, and look at that hairline. Look at it. It's coming out of scalp, sis. Coming out of scalp. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.